everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to discuss an important aspect of ISO 22760, storage and distribution. These two areas are critical to ensuring that cosmetic products maintain their quality and safety from the time they are produced until they reach the consumer. Importance of storage in ISO 22760. Storage plays a key role in maintaining the quality and integrity of cosmetic products. According to ISO 22716 guidelines, storage areas must be designed and managed to protect the products from contamination, deterioration, or damage. Products should be stored under appropriate conditions, including temperature control. Certain products may be sensitive to temperature fluctuations, so it is important to store them at the recommended temperatures. For example, creams or lotions may become unstable if exposed to extreme heat or cold. Humidity controls. Humidity levels should also be regulated, as excess moisture can lead to degradation or microbial growth in certain products. Lighting conditions. Light-sensitive products must be stored away from direct sunlight or artificial light that could degrade their ingredients. The storage areas should be clean, well-organized, and large enough to accommodate the required quantities without overcrowding, allowing proper ventilation and easy access for inspections. Separation of materials. Another key requirement of ISO 22716 is the separation of different types of materials in storage. This includes separating raw materials, packaging materials, and finished products. Proper labeling and organization of materials help prevent mix-ups, contamination, and cross-contact, ensuring the safety and quality of the products. Additionally, defective or expired products must be stored separately from compliant products to avoid any accidental use or distribution. Stock management and rotation. Effective stock management is crucial to ensuring that products are used and distributed within their shelf life. ISO 22716 recommends the first in, first out FIFO or first expired, first out FEFO method to ensure that older stock is used before newer batches. By following these methods, companies can avoid distributing expired or outdated products, which could compromise safety and quality. Proper stock management also helps prevent waste and minimizes financial loss. Distribution in ISO 22716 after storage. The next crucial phase is distribution. The transportation and handling of cosmetic products must be done in a way that maintains their quality and prevents damage or contamination. Transport vehicles must be clean and suitable for the type of products being carried. Just like in storage, conditions such as temperature, humidity, and exposure to light must be controlled during distribution. This ensures that products arrive at their destination in the same condition they were in when they left the production facility. Documentation of storage and distribution. In line with ISO 22716, companies must maintain detailed records of both storage and distribution activities. These records should include inventory logs showing the movement of products in and out of storage, temperature and humidity monitoring to ensure that products are stored and transported under optimal conditions. Shipment records, including the date, batch number, and destination to ensure traceability in case of any issues after distribution. Proper documentation ensures traceability and accountability at every stage, which is especially important if there are any product recalls or quality concerns. Handling returns and non-conforming products. ISO 22716 also emphasizes the importance of handling returns and non-conforming products. Returned products or those that do not meet quality standards should be stored separately and evaluated before any further action is taken. These products should be inspected to determine if they can be reprocessed or if they need to be discarded. This helps maintain the quality of the products that are released back into the supply chain. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Finally, continuous monitoring and improvement are essential for both storage and distribution. Regular inspections of storage facilities and transportation process ensure that all guidelines are being followed. In addition, companies should review their storage and distribution procedures regularly to identify opportunities for improvement and minimize the risk of errors. To sum up, proper storage and distribution as outlined in ISO 22716 are critical for maintaining the quality and safety of cosmetic products. From regulating temperature and humidity in storage areas to ensuring careful transportation and handling, every step must be managed carefully to meet the high standards of good manufacturing practices. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have any questions related to this ISO, please feel free to ask, and also stay tuned for the next video. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.